Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smart buying decisions. Today, we have two robot vacuum cleaners that are making waves in the market. In one corner, we have the Tikom Robot Vacuum, and in the other corner, we have the ROPVACNIC Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Let's dive into the comparison and find out which one comes out on top in various categories. Let's start with the price. The Tikom Robot Vacuum is priced at $299, while the ROPVACNIC Robot Vacuum Cleaner comes in at a more affordable $199. If budget is a concern for you, the ROPVACNIC might be the better option. Now let's talk about cleaning performance. The Tikom Robot Vacuum boasts 2700 PA suction power, making it ideal for short and medium pile carpets as well as hardwood floors. It also has a 2-in-1 sweeping and mopping function, which ensures a completely clean home. On the other hand, the ROPVACNIC Robot Vacuum Cleaner offers a powerful 3000 pascal cyclone cleaning system, which efficiently vacuums dust, pet hair, crumbs, and debris on multiple surfaces such as hardwood floors and low-pile carpets. Both models seem to perform well in this category. Smart features have become increasingly important in robot vacuums. The Tikom Robot Vacuum can be controlled through an app, offering 5 cleaning modes and compatibility with Alexa and Google Home. It also features Gyroscope Smart Navigation, which improves cleaning efficiency by 30%. The ROPVACNIC Robot Vacuum Cleaner also offers app control, voice control with Alexa or Google Assistant, and 6 cleaning modes to meet your needs. It even has a hassle-free remote control included in the package. Both models provide a range of smart features, making them convenient to use. When it comes to design, the Tikom Robot Vacuum has a sleek and modern look. It stands at a height of X inches, allowing it to easily access and clean hard-to-reach places. The ROPVACNIC Robot Vacuum Cleaner is also designed with a low profile, measuring at X inches in height. It features a sophisticated sensing system and dual rotating electric side brushes for efficient cleaning. Both models score well in terms of design. For pet owners, the ROPVACNIC Robot Vacuum Cleaner has an advantage. It is engineered to collect pet hair more efficiently, with its exclusive no-entanglement design and a 3-point cleaning system. The Tikom Robot Vacuum does not have specific pet-friendly features mentioned in its description. The Tikom Robot Vacuum offers impressive suction power and smart features, while the ROPVACNIC Robot Vacuum Cleaner stands out with its affordable price, powerful cleaning system, and pet-friendly design. And there you have it, folks. We've compared the Tikom Robot Vacuum and the ROPVACNIC Robot Vacuum Cleaner in various categories. While the Tikom Robot Vacuum offers impressive suction power and smart features, the ROPVACNIC Robot Vacuum Cleaner stands out with its affordable price, powerful cleaning system, and pet-friendly design. Remember, the best choice ultimately depends on your specific needs and preferences. Don't forget to check the links in the description below to learn more about these products and make an informed decision. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Thanks for watching Buy Smart, and we'll see you in the next video.